they talk something just now.
Yes, so Lagos. I got run, go do one or two things, come back. So in case I dey talk fast, I know say I run because I don't want to miss any part of this thing. Hey, make I catch my breath. Why we say, for inside marriage or for inside relationship, when you borrow money from your partner, from your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, or your girlfriend, you borrow money from them, you know they like to pay back. For example now, one auntie or one woman will borrow her husband 5,000 naira. What should be na 5,000 naira?
Yeah, na 5,000.
He borrow 5,000 naira. He borrow.
The man borrow 5,000 naira from the woman hand.
Make una, as in the man got word borrow. He borrow 5,000 naira. He tell the husband, say, borrow me 5,000, I will give you back. But the husband normal don't give her money for upkeep, family upkeep, like 20k, like take this one, house expenses. But the woman they insist, say, my 5k when I borrow you, they do eyes as if
you they talk this thing. No, the way you talk like say upkeep, like say plan to the woman ask her something. Say he won't do one or two, say he need money, may do one or two things. And then the man call count 20,000 naira. Give them. She never come up for that. Still hold the 20 naira for hand.
20,000.
The 20,000 naira for hand. Now she gonna say, hey baby, what of my 5k?
5k.
Why?
Borrow. The man
say,
I beg, borrow me this 5k. I go give you next week.
You see this?
Borrow.
See
now you
get a touch of witchcraft for this thing because I don't want to believe saying that you they open my mouth they talk this thing. You give me 5k, I give you 20k. You see the toss say you they drop 5k. This is witchcraft.
I don't understand something. If you tell person to borrow you money, you go pay back. Then you're supposed to fulfill your own part of the agreement or promise where you make. Then you can't dey left for me to say, okay, my husband or my wife, keep the money, no problem. I don't know why you say borrow, but the word there na borrow. Why be say the question one
the man girl said not be me the advisor. I tell her say bring the 20,000, count the 5,000, give her my 15,000. Be like say that kind of
because you bring her money, give your wife. We be saying that your duty, responsibility to cater for your wife and your family. You can't they say you won't use and hold my 5K.
My good not go kill me, oh. My good not go kill me in the name of the Lord.
See why they wait for you?
My good not go kill me.
Because I listen at this thing.
You ask for you ask for money. You not even call how much. The money when you did when you put the concept enough plenty. I say from the benevolence, my generosity for the godly person that I am. I can say take this 20,000 naira. May you go start life.
This is why they talk like this now. I could just go break come back because I no go reason with you. Borrow na borrow, you go pay back.
Not be say my woman will call they draw me like say like the way landlord they draw tenants. Now me and you did this house. My money is our money. But I don't give you the one way you say you won't use now. In fact,
my issue with they get be say you say borrow me.
Lagos, for those of now who just join us, so we don't come
borrow
back. Na Satidemedemede, na face to face, and at the vex. At the vex, you borrow me money. I dash you 20,000 naira. You see they draw your 5,000 naira. Is that not what it be witchcraft?
No,
if not be that one.
Make we break and make Lagos because understand us, or make people understand us clearly. You tell your partner, that is whether your wife, boy, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, say, I beg, borrow me 5K, I go run and back to you by next week. And then before that next week reach, you can't give me money. You find money for me too, 20K as your take. And I say they tell you, say my 5K where you borrow me uncle, you say borrow. You go pay me back my money now. If I don't want to collect my guess, make you hold up. But we could go phone like people want talk. 0700 0700 951 9. I only call my number now. Hey, 0700 951 951 951 0146578180. And of course, on top WhatsApp, put on the soon messages already. 08095975808. Okay, they're on the same messages.
Hello. I greet you.
Good evening.
Good evening. Mommy Gogo.
Mama. Calm down, oh.
Why I go calm down?
Agreement
They want to rob me broad daylight.
Calm down, no. This one they call it borrow.
Thank you.
Hey.
Like if my husband borrow 5,000 from me and now give me 20,000, now say baby, that your 5,000 they or money 15. That one they different. Before I no go ask for my money when
hey.
Now borrow.
Mommy Gogo, even you are bigger than what people say.
Because say my husband they pay. That is anytime when my oga call me, mommy say you get money, I go ask her how much you need. Because I know say you know they play with my money, You go pay on agreement.
Thank you.
Mommy Gogo, come they go.
Thank you, Mommy Gogo.
Pay the money where you borrow.
Hey,
tomorrow now when you come meet Pastor go boy, you go turn to wahala.
Hello. I dey hear you. Now women they call now. You dey see am.
Ada, my love.
I greet you, GMG of the universe. Welcome, Mama.
In fact, see, first of all, there should be where you know so where they no let you enter. Let you don't go party again where you don't go back to you. They'll come block
you and Ada. Now the same road I go carry on 2 pass.
In fact, Ada, that money matter we just they talk now for years.
Yeah, they talk about the year.
You know, say the money where you work for your hand, the sweet part one way person give you. Ada, how you see am?
Exactly the point.
When somebody borrow the money, you go pay.
Pay the money where you borrow.
Even you?
As we dey here now, the money matter we dey talk.
GMG, even you?
Yes.
What if even her?
You have to pay. Forget. See, make I tell you. Now borrow then talk am. Borrow. When you borrow something from somebody, you have to return it back.
Bring down your voice. I know you not borrow any money from her. Not they shout for me, GMG. Not they shout for me.
Thank you.
I tell you the year. Ada, see, I don't collect 30,000 this evening. Next on Monday now, I go collect the remaining 30,000. My 60,000 must complete.
Complete.
So that's so it's supposed to be.
Hey.
You return. That's so it is.
Oga, I greet you, Shao. The Lord is your strength. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Yes, would they hear you? Would they hear you?
Good evening.
Good evening. Waiting to your voice now. Put belly for the voice. More we hear you well.
Hello.
I bet more pick next call. Hello. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes,
good evening,
blessing. Welcome.
What now? Oh wow.
Hello.
You don't settle the money of Ashodi. You don't come back.
See, you are not man. I never get it. I want to tell you for now. Me, now my money now they think about for years so.
I don't buy she didn't enter wedding.
I don't bring you come back.
I don't bring and come back. I'm a good person.
You are a good
Very good person.
It's already drag 5,000 naira for year just now so.
If my husband will borrow money from my hand, then go dash me 20,000. And he borrow money from my hand. Then I can't hold the 20,000 for her. I say, honey, how about the 5,000?
Now witchcraft.
You don't greed you.
You not be greed anything. The word way they there na borrow.
What kind of greed is that?
Oh, you don't see human being don't they talk now. The person will get fear of
Okay.
God.
Thank you very
You
much.
don't understand? Somebody that is made from Zion.
Zion called Shiloh. All this surprise where they eat.
Hello. They see him.
Good evening to you. Welcome.
Good evening. This is not so.
No, welcome.
Thank you. My first time caller.
Woo! Shake something for. Welcome, no.
There's something in your hands.
Thank you. You get what I want to tell you.
Okay, help me tell you or tell us.
Oh, you know why most Nigerians they fail WAEC?
They feel WAEC.
Yes, that's because they know they understand something very well.
This cool evening, they
Borrow.
don't they sort me say I not get understanding. Hey.
Debut, yeah.
Oh, I didn't teach you.
You say waiting?
To
borrow and to give, now the same thing.
Wow.
Wow. What a wow.
Why
would pity for you? Sorry.
You can't dash me 20,000. No, be the same thing.
My yes, I dash you 20,000 for what? What do you do? With this smart way, they talk like this.
Because you talk say you be teenage pikin. Dash me 20,000.
Hey.
So you see, they owe me 5,000.
That's the way she call 1,000.
Hey, you understand? So that you can understand them very well.
Thank you very much, Naso.
Why Vigilator? Bye bye. Hello.
Yes,
man don't talk. The man don't come now. Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Welcome on top of the show.
Yes, my name is Abu. I'm calling from Victoria Island.
Okay, welcome, Mr. Abu. Welcome.
Yeah, now. Chukma.
My guy, they hear that,
I hear loud and clear.
If your wife borrow 5,000 for your hand and you give her 20,000, well, don't try now. Those women, they won't kill us.
They won't understand. We battle us and everything, oh.
Hey.
I don't go agree that 20,000. You know how much you do on top of that 5,000?
True. Times 4.
If okay, thank you very much, Mr. Abu. You try. If na the woman now reverse case, reverse situation now come borrow money from your hand. Tell you say my husband give me this 5K. I want you to do something urgently. If next week I go pay you back the money, and then next week she no pay, how you go feel?
As he bring the money come self, I tell her say no, take
no,
it,
she
take
not
it,
just she not just even make any sign as if say she even collect money for. She just lock up, they leave normal, and I just they go. She no even talk about the money again and again.
Wait till I want do.
Eh?
Nothing
you go ever remind her of the money?
No, now.
You know go. You say
like
you go lock up.
You
go lock up.
No.
You talk with your foot chair. Say
yes,
you go lock
now
up.
go lock up now.
You go lock up.
No.
Borrow na borrow. If you want make person assist you, say abeg find me money if you get. No be say
stranger they talk to.
See, now the truth of the matter be that they don't want to use trick. We can be borrow. You can't the form say we're in the family. You don't.
I better read WhatsApp because I don't.
Oh yes, not true. You're supposed to read WhatsApp messages. You go feel with. Okay. We go feel with one message. Sharp before go enter market. My name na Victor. Nothing like borrow for marriage or relationship. Oh, I greet you. Be like say we go dey dash. We no go dey dash women money again. Now your choice. Ada, good evening. The one you borrow they different. If you dash me 100K,
see them, oh.
That one they separate.
This one even say 100K go still drop 5,000.
Because it gets the reason why you dash me. The one where you just give
you don't have the fear of God.
And I would ask you, say, when you borrow money from your partner and you no one return the money, that one makes sense. And surprisingly, me I dey talk say if you borrow money, abeg return the money. Then it left for the partner to make the decision of saying, oh yeah, keep the money. No con dey use say shebi me dey bring money for house this thing, or shebi we dey bring money together. That one where you say borrow, not just sense of responsibility. Come on, you say borrow na borrow, no matter how little. The one with the paper say you can't borrow, you can't lock up, you can't ask as if nothing they go on. We move, we just lock up, we move. You say
after all, your money is my money.
And they talk this one, they go both ways for me. No be just woman to man or man to woman. Now both ways for me. If woman borrow, man borrow. Now make your partner say na 5K hold on, or just keep that one face and do. You get just I don't know, but my own opinion be that. Why you not like to return money?
If I borrow money for your hand and the next thing I can't see dash you 1 or 2, I don't understand.
We are borrow na borrow.
You just be borrow na borrow, and the money we are giving na 4 times the money where you borrow me.
That one now what you supposed to do now? You won't come use your responsibility. The chance to borrow.
You ask for something, say you won't do 1 or 2. Apart from the normal thing I don't do on the normal.
That's your responsibility. One is not the chance to borrow.
Wow.
Moku, see before we go that break, could they read messages on top WhatsApp? Make I still read more messages. It say good evening, Adan Uwa. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you so much. This your topic is always causing problem in some homes. When you borrow from your partner, make sure you pay because they say one good turn deserves another. If I borrow you money and you give me some money for the upkeep of the family, you are still owing me.
Not the upkeep of family, you are getting it wrong.
What upkeep of yourself? Now what?
Good.
You are still owing me. But if you give me to buy things for my personal use, I will assume you have given me my money. Precious on my yobo. Okay, thank you, Precious.
One good turn.
Deserves another.
I bet one good turn is a roundabout. This is the way they talk. So I'm not there with you.
It's a one good one I heard about.
Yes,
especially where driver no come follow one way. make I start from the last to first message. So I go fit trace am because some people don't send message earlier. Okay, this message here talks say I don't know what good evening. The man borrowed the money from his wife. Borrow, so he must pay back the borrowed money. Madam Idewu.
I know now woman go talk this thing now.
Good evening, Adan Uwa. Omo, you will give me back the money I borrowed you. If you like, give me 1 million naira. Borrow, Ngozi.
I know.
Ima from Ojo Barracks talks say, good evening. This your question. Come at the wrong time. Oh. The money where my wife owe me, as she hear your talk now so she put the money back inside her purse. Ima from Ojo Barracks. Now, I go get that one. Now, because now you say make you no pay back.
My brother, you are in this together.
Borrow on a different case is not part of the money you give someone without telling him or her. I beg go and pay your borrow. Thank you.
Many criminals for this.
Okay. Good evening. I salute you all in the studio. Adan Uwa, long time Uwa, where you travel go. Mrs. Chuku from Ikotu. He say the truth is that if my husband borrow money from me, I will collect it with style. If eventually he gives me money for upkeep, I will not talk of the one he borrowed immediately, but I will collect it later. Shasha, I go still pay back.
You can collect it twice. Mrs. Chuku from Ikotu. Hey, God.
Good evening, my people. You say the thing na simple. This thing na simple matter. Short and simple to me now from that 20k, she go take the 5k, then use 15k. Simple, nothing to argue ahead. If you want to do that, tell her say okay. Now 15k I get to give for this thing. Wait, make I find for you.
Get common
hold
sense
your
now.
5k. Don't be everybody get common sense.
They analyze all these things.
Common sense, no common. No be everybody get them.
Oh,
but
talk.
Make our phone line people know they left out. 0700 951 951 951. I greet you. Good evening, no.
My big sister.
Oh, welcome on top of the show.
And they greet the whole house.
Thank you very much, sir.
The Bible says when two people join their steps, come together, they don't be one.
Yes, exactly.
So when I borrow money from my woman's hand, then you ask for to do hair, I give you 20k. I'm supposed to give you maybe 10k for the hair, but I can't give you 20k. What of the one where woman they borrow for woman hand? The woman they give back.
No worry yourself.
Now waiting at the talk.
No,
if you hear me, I say na vice versa.
Let us be realistic. Because all these things vicious lessons. Because you will not start learn. You go learn from all this type of things.
Okay.
You talk true.
Yes, sir.
And for Malu body.
Yabi.
And I look at the whole Nigeria today. How many widows is see? How many widows is see? If you call widows now, widows are still. But if you call widows now, widows plenty everywhere. What do you know what they cause this problem? Too much of wahala. What would they do? Women.
Hey. Oh, wow.
Women would they do wahala too much?
A lot, my brother.
They think of house rent. They think of school fees. Think of all the yes, that's our responsibility. Now our job. We sign now. They pity us now.
Use fear of God.
It takes two to tango now.
They're not agree.
Okay, what if I can't go to rape? God forbid I rape one more year for road. They can't hold me, grab me. You know, go fit take that 5,000 come out.
Oh, God, what's not they talk different from what they talk, obviously, because now you they talk about say. For what I understand you they say the woman supposed to they contribute, supposed to they because they talk about the money where you borrow, and then they talk about say if you rape or you for road and you get wife or you get girlfriend you supposed to come rescue and you no get, by all means your partner supposed to dey there for you at any point where you need help.
The one way sweet me pass for the one way talk we say two shall come together to become one. But these days they become one, but the account not two. They're not they join the account like that.
Even who am could talk and the man you don't ever see men
where they come out for your friend
they come out. If you want go that card, if you want shake this table where you just talk now.
Table where not get leg.
The table self never even get capital, never the nail don't rust. Now men they always do that thing. Anything about secret to say man go open the account give you You go know how many men, how many women know their husband account. But we don't even go that
direction. Tell you their balance.
I just want to address.
Before you know, when una dey stranded, you go say, "Yes, there's this 5,000 that I kept."
I just want to address this way this caller talk. I know they talk say woman no go help man. You break palm oil, you no do this thing. Your woman supposed to come outside assist you. And they talk about say you say borrow me money.
Borrow me.
Borrow me. Na different case.
Then
you
I
say borrow me.
Pay you. You can't see they draw me money. No.
Borrow na borrow, Toro long. Borrow na borrow. Borrow na borrow, but make nobody come confuse wetin I talk. Say I know they say make your woman no help you. Na two different things. Mbok, make you pick calls.
Hello.
No dey vex. I try to clarify wetin you talk because I dey say different thing from wetin you dey talk. I no fit vex now. Why I go vex for wetin? I dey hear you, sir. Continue. Oh, okay. Blessing, welcome. Oh, welcome.
I greet you.
Good evening,
Good evening,
See, for my side, you don't do things based on assumption. You don't. That's me money. In place of the one you borrow from me, no. Do the mathematics very well. You borrow money from me. Give me the one you borrow from me. I will give you the one I borrow from you. Simple and
vice versa.
Don't dash me money based on assumption. Okay, I have paid you now. You borrow 5,000.
Make I use my head. They calculate when you pay me.
You will still give me that my 5,000. Just balance the equation.
That's my sister. You don't bring the YDS for small 5,000.
Simultaneous equation.
Wow. Hello.
Nothing 5K no go see.
Hello.
Good evening,
Only Chief from Barracks, we greet you.
Oh, we miss you.
I miss you like Mississippi now.
You go now. Where they hold you for?
Nah, they no
I don't go bring am, but that 5K I take rescue am.
No mind that. Yeah, now you dey follow up at the team.
Yeah, they correct for that.
Very current person.
Now well done.
Thank you.
Great to.
No need of argument. Borrow na borrow.
Even you don't break my heart.
Why you know, sef, you know.
Say.
Oh, you are just arguing something where argument no dey.
Hey, now
borrow money, even if you give that person 20K, tell the person, okay, collect 5,000. Let's see.
Clear and where?
Then hold 15,000 for whatever you want to give the money.
Now what? This life.
See, let me tell you what. There's a question that asks you. If it's you and the person lock up, you say, you will lock up. It's a lie. If you lock up next time, if that your wife borrow you say you don't have money. You understand? You might not ask, but you will not give again. Forget. You are a human being. It's good to give back so that next time if you borrow, the person will give you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Oluchi. We could pick another call. Hello, good evening to you.
Good evening, Asada.
Yes, so welcome on Choma Sunday. Welcome.
Now me greet you, pass.
From where you go?
My sister, we just go do one or two. But we don't come back now. A day here with you, Gidigba. Oba not a good transfer.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
This matter,
Yes, so.
I think say husband and wife are the same.
We know they argue, they be the same.
To whom it may concern.
Whether he pay the money or not, the man make him not pay the money because two of them now one.
Thank you.
Okay.
Because the money self where some woman they get. Now the money where they collect from their husband. If the right thing is to pay 10,000, but now 4,000 something they go buy. They go keep up. If the man no get money, if they calculate all those money, go borrow the man. They say make the man sell. They know they fear God.
No fear of God.
If they fear God, they no go do it because some money from their husband's pocket.
Okay. Hey, 1 minute remaining. Oh.
Hey.
No, we could read message instead because of the time we did here. Good evening. Men will continue to learn from women. So the best is I will say have your 5,000 and take this 15,000 as extra. does my own be say this person just help me answer the question. If they give me 20,000 now with the hopes that my money dey inside there, make and they clear.
Yeah, because na poor way they go.
Make and they clear. Good evening. And now which be that oh? Now which be that? Make men get little peace. The only language men can use for to get money is borrow. We know they accept give or help. So borrow is the only weapon for men. HGK from Ikorodu. Okay, and a new updates be this. Borrow na borrow, but relationship borrow no be borrow. Cause if you want check himself, girls they collect pass. Man no fit tell in woman say, babe, how far that 5K why I borrow? You never see some men be that. Yeah. Agreement is agreement, yo.
So when we got to agree, so I can overpay you now. Na bad thing I do.
You know, we say you overpay as in how? How you take overpay? Make we see because girl like 8 more minutes and make you no be like so we no pick more calls.
Hello. I greet you.
Yes, I greet you. Welcome on top of the show.
Good evening.
Thank you. Good evening.
Magalicious grandma from
Hey, Swaggy Mama. Welcome.
Our Dorime grandma.
Now what for me?
Help me tell her.
The woman no do well now.
Hey, no do well. You hear grandma they talk now. Collect wisdom from our grandma.
Of the Swaggy Mama.
You want dry the man pocket?
I don't understand.
Dry as in how? The man where they say borrow money nko.
You see the sharp mouth when grandma they talk to you.
As you give her that 20,000, you go collect and your mind go tell you say, that your money there on top. Or even if you want to draw the money,
it might not they talk to Ramo.
20,000. Maybe that very time you go draw the money.
You see
You go wait. Maybe later another day.
Shebi you hear her, mama go still draw the money. You say you go wait, but you go still collect your money.
So your whole problem now at the timetable.
My own say immediately give her that 20,000. You're not supposed to give ask am.
No, I don't say make you ask am o. I know they tell. I don't give any time frame to when you go collect your money. I dey say make the person pay back. Now just waiting like day after.
You know go draw the money now. You go keep. If the man gives you fine, that's why I owe you 5,000. Give you 20,000. Why you go stick on the ask of 5,000?
Okay, Mama. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mama. God go bless you.
Hello, good evening.
Ada. Let me fear God.
Okay.
Fear God.
And I God and they fear oh.
What?
I greet
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Fear God. Yeah, what they tell you.
Okay, make I fear God.
Fear God, Ada.
God, I fear you.
All I collect from mine. All I take the pay.
Wait till happen. It's not they use the money do.
The one on that they collect from men.
Eh.
I take the pay.
I pay my money.
All I take the pay.
Me, I dey pay my money. Except I know use the term borrow.
Ada.
Triple chief, thank you, sir. I know they owe one money. Now I go pay me for as I go raise scam for wedding when you go.
Yeah. Me.
They collect from men. How I take women.
Now others. Me, I dey talk about myself here.
They want to go on a side.
They say wetin man do woman.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening to you. Welcome on top of the show.
Yeah, my own view is it depends on what the money is borrowed for.
Okay, but I beg first tell us your name and where you call from.
Okay, my name is Nafebi.
Okay.
Give us example of what you did tell you.
What the money is borrowed for. If it's borrowed to buy food stuff at home, none of them should ask for the money.
Okay.
But if it is borrowed to buy clothes, you must bring back my money.
Thank you very much. These are the specify.
Yeah, you don't
if you busy waiting they borrow the money for,
if you
not
go chop
concern
inside,
anybody for the house, you'll pay.
You go borrow money, go buy a shebi.
You go use that buy a tie. Or say the man
so
go
you
use
see,
and
you don't want make the
pay
woman
for
look
social.
good. We could pick calls.
It is well.
We could pick calls. After some go read messages.
Hello.
Chief Owa.
I greet you.
I greet you, sir. Welcome. Trumpet, now you.
Yeah, blessed.
Amen. You too.
Trumpet.
Yeah, trumpet.
Long time. Oh.
My brother, Chief Owa, now walk.
I dey hear am for your voice.
No wahala.
Sir?
I don't have much to say. Just do the needful.
Okay.
That's my case.
Use your tongue, count your teeth.
Hey, way. Okay, make we read messages on top WhatsApp. We get 4 more minutes to call them, wrap them up on top face to face. It say, please. Okay, I don't read this one before. Please, if you borrow money, try and pay. Okay, good evening, happy weekend, sisters. Thank you very much, sisters. If it is me, I will collect the 20k back and give you 5k for that's for your borrow and give you 15k later. All right, thank you very much. Good evening, Adan Uwa. This happened between me and my wife yesterday. I borrowed 2k from her yesterday and I dash her 12k today. She still they ask me the 2k. I just told her I don't have yet, but I will not give her in my own mind again.
My brother, I'm with your mind.
Richie from Aja.
I am with your mind. What's happened?
Good evening, Borrow Olu from Ikorodu. Thank you. Good evening, Ada, my bros. Okay, come, that woman at Ole 20k and she still they ask for 5k. Timan, okay, welcome Timan, you don't tell. Good evening, Adan Uwa. There's difference from giving and borrowing, no. But what I would do is that I won't ask him that 5k at the moment of the time he gave me 20k. Happy birthday to Adazayon son, only from Jakonde. Yes, now you got to pay your money. What's up from my talk? Say any money my wife borrow from me, she never one day pay. If me borrow from her, I will pay more than 10 times. If I mistake, ask of the one I borrow her na wahala. Okay, Ada, I agree to plenty. Happy weekend to you. This one week me my mouth no fish shot anyway. Borrowing money from your partner, me take say na dash because no refunding back. I swear down because na family matter I use am solve. But for me, I can't borrow money from my woman because I pay her every week. Olisa Emeka from Sele. Thank you very much. So women are very greedy and they can never be satisfied. All thanks to Blessing from Banana Island. You be correct, babe. Okay. Good evening, Adan Uwa. There is difference between borrowing and give. For me, if I borrow, I will pay back. Dakpo from Ejibo. Okay. Good evening. It's only selfish and greedy person that will borrow his or her partner 5k in serious marriage and will expect the 5k back after she might have recovered 20k from the man. Raf from Ogun State. Hello, hi, okay. If your husband borrow 5k and later give me 20k, no need to ask him again. If you do, na greediness be that. Tonya from Satellite Town. All right, Tonya, I see your message. Good evening, and Ada. Borrow, you go pay back for sure. I know say we be one. Chibes from Agbara. Okay, Adan Uwa, this matter go cause problem as far as I dey concerned. I go tell her say make she minus 5k from the 20k when I give her for upkeep. Akpome from Michigan, USA. Thank you very much, Akpome. Good evening, Wazobia FM. I greet you. My name is Namuna Chimso from Dolphin Estate, Ikoyi. If the wife is wise enough, she doesn't need to ask her husband for the 5k again. As long as the 20k is a dash and is even much more than the 5k.
Much more.
Women make una pity at times. Thank you very much. Okay. Good evening, Adan Uwa. For me, the word borrow is there. If you like, give me 100k, you must pay me back my 5k. Portable guinea car from Ago Palace Way. So. And then the last message where I go read now. Good evening, Adan Uwa. Borrow, dash na dash. You know, get two name. If you borrow, you supposed pay. Paulina Foster from Abulegba. Now so you take sender. All women supporting, collecting the money back. If not them, they will not pay back. Oh, I beg. Make we have conscience. Thank you very much. And the last message, Upright from Bariga, say, if I'm the one, I will tell her to remove her 5,000 naira from the 20k and use the 15,000 naira.
Thank you.
For upkeep.
Yes. Now.
If you borrow money, share you they pay back. Even if not your husband or your wife. Now the matter we will talk about that.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.